again. Now it's got good colors. I think it's because of the cold. This camera reacts funny when it's cold. But that's
Boy,
a
I was
very
hoping
complex little creature there.
you're gonna let him come back in on his own. A little bacteria right in front. Maybe you're gonna go eat that. No. What's he looking for though? I haven't seen him actually incorporate anything into itself. Look at those work. Isn't that something? All by accident.
Oh, thanks to Darwin, huh?
Just an accident. All this just happened
Well,
and then it
trial
went
and error.
away.
Trial and error, you know. I tried using oars first, and
I believe it.
what kind of inner connections and things does it take to run an operation like that? That's
Oh yeah, if you've seen the animation, it's a motor. It's an electric little electric motor. Whoops! I touched the light. Oh darn! That's always tough to get back in there. All right, let's focus the light a little better. There's some good contrast.
yeah.
Yeah, they're like little motors. They got a rotor and everything, bearings. I mean, you gotta look at it on YouTube. The guys who really got the microscopes and really know what they're doing do a hell of a job. It keeps getting scared and jumping away. There it goes. Boy, look at it go into action. Isn't that something? Oh,
It's spaghetti for dinner. It's almost like he's using those to pull the current.
I believe that is how they eat by
These.
creating the whirlwind. That's the mouth,
Uh huh.
and that's not motivation. Although it may have something to do with that as well. I don't really know it all at all, but I know that that's the mouth, and the tail going out there. But I don't know what he's eating. I haven't seen anything go in.
Or it's smaller than we see.
Yep, that's true too. Mm. Oh, come back. There he goes. Well, that's a good shot.
Yeah, look how many different organs or organelles, whatever they
I
are.
think they're called organelles. I think they are, yeah. They store food and waste. The waste comes out at the same opening as the mouth on this one.
But no nervous system.
Well, what is the nervous system? I don't know.
But somehow it all works. It's
It
um.
seeks. It seeks and it finds. Come back. There you go.
And that's one drop of water.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. One small step for mankind.
I don't know why, but it makes me feel like having a donut. Maybe it's because he's doing all the eating and I'm just watching, you know? Hey, Cat. Donna. Come and look.
He hasn't opened up yet.
He must have got something then on the last.
What?
Come and look.
Perhaps.
This is still the moth. You know, this is just a drop of water.
Right.
And see the tail,
Yeah.
and it's got
That's
all
neat.
those.
What's it called? Hi.
Joseph
All right, it's
says
a rotifer.
a rotifer.
This is the mouth is not as active as it's been a few minutes
Yeah,
ago.
this was all like
Um,
spaghetti
Oh.
doing stuff.
The mouth is just turned toward the camera,
Uh-huh.
so you can see the cilia,
Oh, right here,
sleeping, but-
right here.
but you don't get a good because it's got its head up toward us.